Alright, so I'm gonna do a quick little video and try and diagnose a furnace here. I'm in Chicago. We got some pretty cold weather. So I'm gonna kick this thing on, kind of show you what's going on, and then I'm gonna tell you what I think it is. Well, I talked to a couple of HVAC guys, kind of told me what it should be. So I had already turned it off, so I'll kick it back on. Everything heating up back there to light those burners. It comes on. Everything's working fine there. And then it just shuts down. So we've been having this problem for like 2 days. I worked pretty hard yesterday. Got in late, and we kind of just dealt with it. But all of my buddies told me 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be that flame sensor right there. So I'm gonna take that joint off and I'm gonna clean it up and see what we got. So I'm gonna cut this off for a second. Well, actually no, I'm not gonna cut it off for a second. Just gonna shut the furnace down. Got the switch. We gotta be able to find the switch. Most of them, this is an older house. Most of them have like a box on the side, either way with a regular switch, but shut that down, and then I think that's just a regular flathead. So, well, not a regular flathead, but it's a hex. So, me and my wife, we're kind of new to this homeowner thing, and this will be our first house. And I mean, I know a little bit about a lot, but not a lot about whatever. So let's see if I can get this boy out of here. Oh, and by the way, I mean me and my son just decided that we do some YouTube channels. I'm more of a how-to type of guy, and he's like, oh, I want to be a gamer. Well, you can see that thing's kind of dirty, little cruddy, and I have no idea if this thing's ever been serviced. So basically what I got, just a little bit of emery cloth, a little Scotch-Brite pad. I'm just gonna try and rough it up real quick, see what we got. So, I mean, I cleaned it up pretty good with what I had. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but we're just trying it out. And that's going in. Hook the connector back up. I'm gonna hit the switch and cross our fingers. So, gotta come back on. Element's gonna heat up. I'm not sure, but I think that's staying on a little longer than it was before. So maybe we got gold. I think we got gold. So, as luckily for me, I know a couple HVAC guys, friends of mine, that kind of just gave me that pointer. I mean, I'm not an HVAC guy. I have no idea about this stuff, but a little research, a little tinkering around, That's what my channel is going to be all about. And I literally shot this before I even started the channel. It's something that just happened to us. So I figured, I don't know if this is going to be the first video, second video, third video. But yeah, I mean, it's a Goodman furnace. Most of all of those things are going to be like that, or either on the side, like I said, on the side of the burners. But it should be sticking in to where it can reach the flame. So there you go. Hope it helps somebody. Of course, when I get to that point, like and subscribe once I get this out there. And hey, until the next time.